One of the biggest obstacles to an amicable and frankly happier settlement of child contact or child arrangements proceedings is the unrealistic expectations of one parent or the other. Now, usually this will come in the form of one parent expecting a greater level of contact than the court is ever likely to give, thinking that the court will readily set aside a recommendation of a CAFCAS officer who's an expert in these matters and treated as such by the courts. And when parents deal in this unrealistic way, all that happens is that we get prolonged proceedings, unhappy families for a longer period of time, and ultimately a lot more stress and strain when what you could be doing is settling into your new life with your children, whatever form that might take. If you find yourself in a situation where you're contesting child arrangements with your ex, my recommendation is that you get a direct access barrister, either for a hearing or just get a conference, an hour or two, speaking to a barrister in order to realise actually what are the realistic outcomes. What could you expect to happen as a result of the child arrangements proceedings? If you get that advice today, in order to make sure that you know what's coming next in your child arrangements proceedings, it might save you a whole lot of stress and a whole lot of hassle. And it's not as expensive as you might think. You cut out the middleman of a solicitor, and generally people find a lot of value in getting that advice sooner rather than later. So head over to GetABarrister.com and we'll help you out.